Welcome to ATech. In this video, I will tell you that what is Meta AI and how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. So, first of all, you need to update your WhatsApp to use Meta AI. So, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, click on Update. Because Meta AI is not working in old WhatsApp version. If you want to use Meta AI, you need to update your WhatsApp. So after updating a WhatsApp, just open it and here you can see Meta AI sign. So click on it. So it may take few seconds when you will use it first time. So now it's ready. You can ask anything. Ask Meta AI anything. So here are the prompts. You can search these things. Pick my decor style, outdoor reels. Imagine a flying pig, investigating goal, write a birthday poem, personality quiz, teach me all about K-pop, dog breed advices, imagine a mirror universe, DIY furniture tips. So you can search each and everything on Meta AI. It allows you to create AI pictures as well. You can ask for workouts, you can ask for daily routine, you can ask for scripts, poems, stories, each and everything. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.